Estos panes fueron, de aquí abajo, fueron criados por nosotros hace 36 años.
I see you have a lot of produce that has seeds on them. Would you say you get a lot of bird handlers or birds themselves that come in and request them specially?
O sea, normalmente la gente a las semillas se la puede dar a los animales. Y sí, las semillas pues la acostumbran a los pajaritos. Aquí lo usamos como alimento para las personas.
And what is this? Some kind of turnip-like thing, or?
Semilla es ajonjolí.
That's fascinating stuff. What do I do with this in my hand? Just throw it back in the... Eat it? Oh, okay. So I'm the bird. I'm gonna fly away, people. I just take any one.
Te vas a enamorar de él.
I can see why the birds are so crazy about seeds now.
Culinary Quest with Chef Joe.